Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Overwatch on your laptop. First, let's ensure your laptop meets the recommended specifications for a smooth experience. You will want an Intel Core i7 or AMD Ryzen 5 processor, at least 8 GB of RAM, and a graphics card like an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060. Also, make sure you have 50 GB of available disk space. To get the best performance, optimize your laptop settings. Lowering in-game graphics like texture quality and shadows can significantly boost your frame rate. Always keep your graphics drivers updated for peak efficiency. Remember to close any applications running in the background and ensure your laptop has good airflow to prevent overheating during long play sessions. A stable connection is crucial for online gaming. Whenever possible, use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi to minimize lag. For better precision and comfort, consider using an external gaming mouse and keyboard. Also, set your laptop's power plan to high performance to ensure your hardware is running at its full potential, providing a smoother gameplay experience. If you encounter issues, try verifying your game files through the launcher to fix any corrupt data. Regularly check your laptop's temperature. If it gets too hot, performance will suffer. Keeping your operating system updated also helps with overall system stability and game compatibility. Finally, remember to take short breaks to rest your eyes and stay refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.